Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished you could turn back the clock? What if I told you the secret to looking 10 years younger is right in your kitchen? Are you intrigued? Let's dive into the world of anti-aging foods that can help you achieve that youthful glow starting today. The power of diet in aging. We all dream of looking younger and living longer. While genetics play a role, your diet is a game changer in this quest. Scientists have found that although good genes are very significant in the equation, they are not enough for younger-looking skin. On the other hand, your diet determines 80% of your physical appearance. Today, we'll uncover the top 10 foods that boost your health and keep your skin glowing and youthful. 1. Avocado, the creamy elixir. Have you ever heard that avocados are fattening? Well, think again. These fats are incredibly healthy. Eating an avocado a day can reduce cholesterol levels and support skin regeneration thanks to its rich vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Try blending avocado pulp with milk, crushed ice, lime juice, cumin, garlic powder, and salt for a creamy treat that's good for your skin and soul. 2. Berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. These tiny fruits pack a punch, whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or grapes. Rich in antioxidants, they help delay cell damage and reduce joint pain. Blueberries in particular boost cognitive abilities and help prevent urinary diseases, Alzheimer's, and dementia. Snack on a handful daily for a sweet path to youthful skin. 3. Carrots, the eye and skin protector. Carrots are more than just a treat for rabbits. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for eye health and skin protection against UV rays. Just remember not to overcook them to preserve their nutrients. Add raw or lightly cooked carrots to your diet for a natural glow. 4. Citrus fruits, the vitamin C champions. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C and folic acid. They help lower cholesterol and uric acid levels, preventing circulatory problems and heart conditions. Start your day with a glass of lemon juice to detoxify your body and enjoy a radiant complexion. 5. Garlic, the natural antibiotic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It is known for its strong aroma and flavor. Garlic is also a potent anti-aging food. Its bactericidal properties make it a natural antibiotic, balancing cholesterol, improving blood circulation, and reducing cancer risks. Embrace garlic in your meals for its incredible health benefits. 6. Olive oil, the liquid gold. Olive oil is not just a kitchen staple, it's a skincare hero. Rich in alpha-linoleic acid, it keeps your skin hydrated and toned. Apply a few drops around your eyes before bed for smooth, moisturized skin. Incorporate olive oil into your beauty routine and daily diet for a timeless glow. 7. Tomatoes, the lycopene-rich beautifiers. Tomatoes are delicious and contain vitamins A, C, and folic acid. The antioxidant lycopene, which gives tomatoes their red color, protects your skin against UV radiation and cardiovascular diseases. Enjoy cooked tomatoes with a drizzle of olive oil for maximum benefits. A tomato mask can also rejuvenate your skin, making it soft and radiant. 8. Oily fish, the omega-3 rich lifesavers. Salmon, tuna, and other oily fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for cell regeneration and keeping cholesterol low. These fish also combat the oxidative damage that comes with age. Oily fish can regulate the skin's oil production and improve balance hydration, minimizing aging signs. A simple oven-baked salmon with herbs and lemon is both delicious and nutritious. 9. Turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric is a must-have in your diet with its anti-cancer, digestive, and anti-inflammatory properties. It slows down aging, boosts energy, and lifts your mood. Add a dash of turmeric to your dishes for a flavorful and healthful twist. 10. Iberian ham, the savory youth preserver. Here's a treat for meat lovers. Iberian ham helps prevent muscle mass loss and is rich in healthy fatty acids that benefit the cardiovascular system. It's also packed with minerals and B vitamins. Enjoy in moderation due to its high sodium content. Some bonus for anti-aging superfoods. The bonus we have for you here are not edible foods only. We have some anti-aging methods that you can use also to boost and maintain your skin's collagen. Bonus: dark chocolate. Good news for chocolate lovers. Dark chocolate, with at least 75% cocoa, is loaded with antioxidants that protect your skin from UV damage and improve hydration. Swap milk chocolate for this healthier alternative and indulge in a guilt-free treat. Natural masks for youthful skin. Beyond diet, natural masks can do wonders for your skin. They come in different forms. You have the Skin Gym CryoChill Ice Beaded Face Mask, or the Kelawi Essence Facial Face Mask Paper Sheets for physical masks. Then you have many types of cream face mask forms. More anti-aging natural remedies bonus. Potato mask lightens and evens out skin tone. Apply raw potato pulp or juice daily. Lemon juice whitens skin and gets rid of age spots. Use as a daily toner. Aloe vera fades dark spots and acne scars. Use the pulp or juice regularly. Cucumber treats acne and rejuvenates skin. Apply slices several times a week. Baking soda revitalizes skin. Use as a scrub or mask with yogurt. Honey moisturizes and accelerates cell regeneration. Apply regularly, unless allergic. Coconut oil nourishes and tightens skin. Apply a thin layer and remove after 5 minutes. Vitamin E rejuvenates skin. Add to face creams or lip moisturizers. Rosehip oil reduces wrinkles and signs of aging. Use as a toner or add to creams. Sugar scrub exfoliates and softens skin. Scrub your face once a week for a youthful glow. Ready to start your journey towards a youthful glow? Share your favorite anti-aging food in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and tips. Remember, the key to looking younger isn't just inexpensive creams or treatments, but the everyday choices you make with your diet. Remember, aging is a natural part of life, but how we age is up to us. By making smart food choices and incorporating these natural remedies, you can slow down the aging process and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Conclusion: embrace these simple dietary changes and natural remedies to unlock a more youthful version of yourself. Your kitchen is a treasure trove of anti-aging secrets. Try them out and watch the magic happen. That said, thank you for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.